Yes, students, today we are going to revise fundamental operations of algebra. In this video, we will cover addition, subtraction and multiplication of algebraic expressions. So, beta, first of all, addition of like terms. To add the like terms, add their numerical coefficients. For example, 4x and 9x. If I want to add these 4x plus 9x, simply plus 9 will be 13 and x will be with it. So the 4x plus 9x is 4 plus 9, 13x. Okay. One more example. If I have unlike terms like 4x and 9y, because x can't be added to y na, so what will be there? Simply write 4x plus 9y. I hope it is clear. So suppose one more example, 5y minus 10z. Okay. Plus minus 10z, plus minus will be minus 10z. So as it is, it will be written. Okay beta, this way I have told you how to add the like and unlike terms. Okay beta, now I will tell you column method. What is there in column method? In column method I will terms one below the other. Okay, arrange like terms in such a way that they are one below the other and then add. For example, in this only, this 4x plus 9x, so 4 plus 9, 13x. I am giving you one example. See, I need to add these 7a plus 6b minus 3a plus 9b, 6a minus 3b. So how I will write 7a plus 6b in first line, minus 3a plus 9b in second row, 6a minus 3b in third row. See beta, I have written like terms under like terms. They are below each other. Okay. Now you do addition beta. First add positive terms. 7 plus 13. 13 minus 3 will be 10a. Okay beta. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 minus 3 will be 12b. So like this 6 plus 9 plus 15 minus 3 means plus 12b. So like this I have got my answer. I hope it is clear to you. Beta, one more example. Find the sum of these terms. So I am going to write expression 3x square plus 4x minus 3 first row. Next expression x square under x square 2x square plus 2x plus, okay, then minus x square plus x minus 6. X square like terms, xxx like terms, constant term like terms I have written together. Now you add beta. 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 1 4x square. Okay. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7x. Okay, 1x, x means 1x. Okay beta, now minus minus will be plus. So minus 9 plus 1. Okay, so it will be minus 8. Or you can do minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2. Minus 2 minus 6 minus minus plus minus 6 minus 8. Okay. So in this way we can do the addition of algebraic expressions. Now here comes the turn of subtraction. How to subtract the algebraic expressions. Yes beta. Yes children. Next question is subtract this expression from this. From means this will come up 2x square minus 5y square minus 7z square. Then write this one minus 3x square plus 7y square minus z square. Beta, what is there in subtraction? Whenever we are going to subtract the terms, change the sign of the terms to be subtracted and then add. Means this minus sign will become plus. Put it in bracket. This plus y will become minus 7y square. This minus z square will become plus z square. You have to take now these new signs which are written in bracket. Okay. So 2x square plus 3x square means 2 plus 3, 5x square. Beta, this both are now sign of bracket you have to take. Minus minus plus. So minus 5 minus 7 means minus 12y square. In this minus 7 plus 1, z square means plus 1 z square. So minus 7 plus 1 will be minus 6 z square. So like this we can subtract the algebraic expressions. One more example I am giving you. They are saying subtract 2a cube minus 4a square plus 13 from the sum of this and this. From the sum beta means first I am going to add these. Okay. So 7a cube plus 3 beta a square is not here na. So we can just write 0 at that place. 0 into a square is 0 na. Then plus 3a plus 7. Okay. Now next expression is 3a cube minus 3a square plus 4a plus 5. Like terms under like terms. I am going to add these. Okay. So 7 plus 3 it will be 10a cube. 0 minus 3 means minus 3a square. 3 plus 4 7a. 7 plus 5 12. Now they were saying subtract this from this. So I am going to subtract. Write like terms under like terms. 2a cube minus 4a square. A term is not there. You can write 0. And that is next is 13. Now beta I have told you when we are subtracting change the sign of each term na. Plus this will become minus. Minus will become plus. That doesn't matter 0. This is minus 13. Okay. So 10 minus 2 it will be 8a cube. Okay. Minus 3 plus 4a a square it will become plus a square. Minus this plus 7a will be as it is because minus 0 is same. 12 minus 13 so it will be minus 1. So this will be the answer. I hope this first exercise is clear to you. Now coming to multiplication of algebraic expressions. Yes children, in this we are going to follow these rules which we know already in integers. Plus into plus is plus. Minus minus also become plus. If one is positive term, one is negative. Plus minus minus. Minus into plus minus. So you have to take care of these rules. And most important rule we have done in exponents. X raised to the power m into x raised to the power n will be equal to x raised to the power m plus n. Beta whenever bases are same and we are going to multiply them, powers will be added. For example, I am multiplying x raised to the power 4 with x raised to the power 3. So what will be answer? X is same, base is same na, power will be added. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So answer will be x raised to the power 7. Most important thing. Now how to multiply a monomial with a constant. For example, minus 4x cube into 9. Okay. So beta simply multiply this number with this and x cube will be with it as it is. So 9 4s are 36 minus sign into x cube. So minus 36 x cube. Beta now how to multiply monomials with monomials. Okay. So what we are going to do? We are going to take product of their numerical coefficients and we are going to take product of their literal coefficients. Take the example like 8x square into 4xy. So what I will do? Multiply 8 with 4. Okay. Constant with constant and variable with a variable. X square into xy. Now you see beta 8 4s are 32. X square base is same. Here power is 1. Here 2. So base is same. Power will be added. So x square into x will become x cube. And this y will be written as it is. Okay. Now take one more example. 2a square into minus 5a square b into minus 4ab square. Beta multiply constants. 2 into minus 5 into minus 4. Now what variables will be left? Multiply them. A square into a square b into ab square. Okay beta. So see 2 5s are 10. 10 into 4 40. Minus minus plus sign will come. Okay. From here beta a square into a square into a. See base is same. Powers will be added. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1. It will become a raised to the power 5. Now here b raised to power 1 and b raised to power 2. So base is same. Power will be added. So b raised to the power 3. So my answer will be 40 a raised to the power 5 b raised to the power 3. I hope it is clear to you. Beta next is multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial. So how we will do? Multiply each term of the polynomial by the monomial and then add the products. So if I am going to multiply this and this, you can put in brackets. Okay. So multiply 5x with 3y, then 5x with 10. Okay. You have to multiply with both the terms. So 5x into 3y plus 5x into 10. Okay beta. So this will be 5 3s are 15. xy. This will be 5 tens are 50 x. So this will be my answer. One more example, BC into 2b plus 5c. Okay beta. So BC will be multiplied with 2b first, BC into 2b, then BC will be multiplied with 5c. Beta, if plus sign is there in between, plus will come. If minus is there, minus will come. Next is plus BC into 5c, means I am multiplying BC with this also, BC with this also. Okay. So BC into 5c. Now what will be there? BC into this 1 into 2, 2. B into B, B square into C. Base is same na, power is adding. So B, beta 5 constant will come first, B, and C into C. Base is same na, it will become C square, right? So this will be my answer. Like this you have to do multiplication. Okay. Next is multiplication of two polynomials. Yes beta, till now we have done first 3 questions of the exercise. Now remaining questions are based on this. Okay, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. So what is there? How to multiply two polynomials beta. So rule is that to find product of two polynomials, multiply each term of one polynomial by all the terms of other polynomial and then add all the resulting products. Okay, I can give you example. Like if I have 2x plus 3y and I need to multiply it with 5x minus 6y. I am putting bracket, bracket means multiplication. So beta, first take this. This 2x will be multiplied with the full expression. Then plus sign, this 3y will be multiplied with the full expression. Okay. See, 2x will be multiplied with 5x minus 6y. If plus sign is there plus, minus is there minus. Then 3y will be multiplied with full expression 5x minus 6y. Okay. Now you do. How we were doing multiplication of monomial with binomial. This 2x will be multiplied with both the terms. So 2x into 5x minus 2x into 6y. Right. Here beta 3y into 5x minus 3y into. Okay. Plus sign is there na, plus into minus 6y. Okay beta, now you do. See, 2 into 5, 10, x with x, x square. Okay, minus 2 6 are 12 and xy. Okay, this will be 3 5s are 15 and yx. And this will be 3 into minus 6 minus 18, y into y, y square. Beta, now you see, this xy, I have told you that xy is equal to yx. Okay, in fundamental concepts. First with second or second with first, their multiplication is same. Okay, so I can write this 10x square. These are same. Okay, 12xy plus 15xy minus 18y square. I have changed the order. Okay, these are like terms na. So now you can add these. Okay beta, plus minus minus sign of bigger number. So 15 minus 12 it will be 3xy and minus 18y square. So like this I have got my answer. Now just one more example I want to give you and this exercise will be complete. Beta, this is last question of the exercise. In this I have 3 expressions. So first multiply these 2 expressions. What answer will come? Multiply with third. So beta, x minus 1 into x minus 2. See, first this x will be multiplied with full term x minus 2. Okay, then minus 1 will be multiplied with x minus 2. Okay, keep them in bracket. Okay, this x minus 3 will be as it is. Now x into x, x square, x into minus 2. So minus 2x, minus 1 into x minus plus. Okay beta, outside it will be as it is. Now beta, x square, see these are like terms na, minus 2x minus x, it will become minus 3x plus 2. Okay, next is x minus 3. Now what I will do, I need to multiply this full with this. Whenever you have a trinomial and binomial, first bring that binomial first. Okay, so I am bringing it first. X minus 3 into x square minus 3x plus 2. We know na, x into y is y into x, that's why we can change the order, so that only I have done. Now multiply this x with the full expression. X into x square minus 3x plus 2. If minus sign is there, minus will come. If plus is there, plus will come. Then minus 3 with the full expression. So minus 3 into x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay beta. Now you do x with x square. So x into x square, x cube. X into minus 3x square. X into 2. So 2x. Multiply x with each term. Same way multiply minus 3 with each term. Minus 3 into x square, minus 3x square. Minus minus plus 9x. Minus 3 into plus 2, minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Now you do beta x cube. Arrange like terms together. So minus 3x square minus 3x square together. Okay. This 2x and 9x together. 2x plus 9x minus 6. Now you do beta. This will be minus 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 6x square. This will be 2 plus 9, 11x and minus 6. So like this we have completed the full 2 exercises. Revise beta, practice each and every question. That's most important. Okay. Thank you beta.